everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Monday evening. We're here inside Clark, Pampanga, and we're going to cafe in Iheri. It's a cafe here in Clark, and my friend Ali, they waiting there.
And Georgi also. Take a look. Georgi already now with another clothes. Some of subscribers said, oh, Georgi don't have clothes. Georgi have so many clothes, and we go to casino with Georgi, yes. Georgi, did you been before in this cafe?
No.
First time. Okay, we take a look. This is new cafe. Like bakery. 1 year, but Georgi never been.
1 year and last year, I
Shaira have another dress. Okay, go first. No, you go first. Don't want. Okay. Where Ali? I don't know, maybe outside. Ali, hi.
Привет.
Say hi to subscribers.
All hi for all subscribers.
Good cafe, Georgi.
I'm fine. What about you?
You can take a look. Maybe interesting something, cake or what for you. How much? I will show to you. Have so many cakes. Take a look, and price is good. Carrot cake also have, chocolate, cheesecake, but cheesecake is little bit high price. And this cheesecake 240. Fruit cheesecake also. Okay, I will go with Ali. Monday, but many people here. We will walk now to the casino, Royce Hotel and Casino, with Georgi, Shaira and Ali. It's very close from this cafe. Here name. This is new building of Royce Hotel and Casino. We just walk because it's very close from our cafe where we sit before. Maybe.
Yeah.
This is lobby. This casino. We can first take a look.
Oh, I've never been.
Okay, take a look first. Okay. Given already 60, 2 times 60. Again 60, 3 times 60. We just finish sit in casino, play in casino. Georgi, how much you win in casino today?
Nothing. No win, no lose. But I play, I have experience.
Now you know already. You won't come back?
I don't know. Because I understand I cannot win if I play long time, I lose.
If long
because
time-
Zero, because zero, I lose about 2.7%
Mhm.
from the investment.
Mhm.
From all money I invest.
Okay. This is lobby. Yes, we will take car and go into Walker Street. Don't have rain. Oh, good motor, yeah. Kawasaki, yeah. Yes, nice motor.